Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll talk about how to paint a brick wall effect. So right now I'm just drawing my wall. You can just start with the straight line and then you can create bricks. This is so easy, just give it a try guys. I'm sure you'll able to get the good result here. Yeah, so now I'm done with the drawing and I'll just blend my base color. So start with a transparent color. You can use yellow ochre, burnt sienna, scarlet lake to give it a vibrant look, but keep your pigment transparent. You can even use orange color. Just blend your base color on dry surface. I'm just blending its edges so you'll get the soft blend. Alright, so I'm done with the first layer and I'll just let it dry. Okay, so now I'm using white crayon over the pencil lines to mask it. So basically crayons are like oil based medium, so if you are using watercolor over the crayon, it will give you a really unique effect. You'll see the magic later on when I'll be applying a second layer. So just wait and watch. So yeah, I am almost done with the crayon magic, and after that I'll just apply my second layer with rich and dark pigment. So you can see the magic now. You don't need to paint each bricks, just use crayons and then blend your colors over it, and you can see your bricks are separated from each other. So just use multiple colors to give it a vibrant look. Just play with colors. Yeah, so we are almost done with our second layer as well, and just blending its edges so that you won't get the very hard edge. And now I'm just spraying some water droplets, and you can see how it reacts on the paper. You'll get a very unique texture, and then I'll let it dry. So yeah, once this is dry, then I'll just start painting the shadows of the bricks to give it a 3D look. Yeah, so just paint shadows for the each brick. It's very easy. You just need to blend your colors, that's all. So practice blending different colors on dry surface. So now your bricks are taking shape. So I'm almost done with shadowing the bricks, and now you can just splatter some colors over your wall to give it a dusty look, and some you can create some textures. And yeah, your brick wall effect is complete. uh, I'm sure this is very easy way to create these kind of effects, and just give it a try, you'll get the result for sure. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and hit the like button as well. And yeah, do share it with your friends and let them know this creative idea. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.